Welcome to Tech. Today I'm going to teach you how to make simple but effective AUX cables like this one's right here. You can use this cable to connect your MP3 player to some speakers like this, or to your car if you can connect this. If not, you can. And you can also connect it to some speakers to your computer speakers if it has an AUX connection in the speaker case. If it doesn't, you can. But mine do, so I can do that. So the first thing you do is get some all headphones, and they must work. If not, this is not going to work. So I already cut the ends off the speaker wire, the headphones. My bad. I already cut them off. And I don't need the headphones. I can throw them away. So the cable is going to look like this. With no headphones. You see? I already split the ends off this ones. So, and I'm going to teach you how to do it to the other pair. So, you grab your speaker wire, your headphone wire. You split the plastic. Take the plastic off. You can do it with any scissors. No, just strip it like so, and do the same for the other side. There we go. Oh no, I ripped the other end. Let me cut the wire. This can happen a lot. If you're good at this, it won't happen. But I'm not very good at stripping wire. Let's hope we didn't cut the wire this time. No. There we go. There we go. So as you can tell, there's a little fuzz right here. Yes, pieces of string. You can burn those off with lighter. And also, I don't think you can tell, but this blue wire is the left side. So if there's two color ones like a green or a blue, you connect those two. And there's going to be a separate wire like this, and as a ground is going to be a normal copper wire. But the blue one's going to have a little plastic on it, so you want to remove that with the lighter too. So let's burn it off. First the fuzz of string. Now the speaker wire. Be careful you don't burn all the plastic off from the blue side, because then you're not going to know which one to connect to which. And if you want to, you can do it to your ground cable, but there's no need. I just do it just to make sure there's no plastic on it and you can get the best signal. So you do the same thing for the other one. And this one's red, as you can tell, and this is the right side. Oh no, I cut the other wire too, so I have to cut it again. Like I said, I'm very bad at stripping wire. There we go. So now, again, just burn the excess string off in plastic. And the red cable too. The red plastic off the red cable. I still had a little, it's kind of hot. Okay, so now you connect the wires. So this one's red, connected to the red one. See? Now you do it for the other ones too. So now I have the cable all connected to each other. And what I like to do, again with the lighter, just heat the wire up. So yes, I'll do that. Let it cool by blowing on it. So now you use some wiring tape and tape off the wire. I do this for the cables, for the wires, for that one touch each other, because if they do, it will circuit out the cable. So do that for all of them. Then just trim the XX tape. Just cut it off. And do it like again, like I said, do it for all the wires. So as you can see right here, I have my 2 pairs of cables connected and taped all together. So now I connect the AUX cable one side to my MP3 player, like so, and the other side to the speaker, like so. So now I push play. Now I'm going to connect this to my computer speakers.
The lonely stoner seems to free his mind at night. He's all alone, some things will never change. The lonely loner seems to free his mind at night. At night. Slow-mo. When the tempo slows up and creates that new. He seems alive.
So thank you for watching the Aesthetic video, and I hope you enjoyed this video.